Hey guys, Kidyu here for the Tech World, and today I have a new software review for you guys, requested by one of the community users that I do a review on the software. I checked it out and decided to give my review on it because it is really some cool software that I'm going to start taking advantage of. It's called Vuze, and what Vuze is, you can get this at downloadvuze.net or vuze.net. I'll leave a link in the video description and in the video itself. Alright, so what Vuze is, it's a HD media player network, so basically, it's a free network compiled with HD content, podcasts, TV shows. Mainly, there's a lot of podcasts, whether it's audio and video, or just really great episodes like Techzilla, Scam School. Those were Version 3 networks, all on there. That they, a lot of podcasters, what you'll see is they release their content to these P2P networks in hopes of getting obviously more viewers, more downloads, stuff like that. And I know a lot of people, when they hear it's a BitTorrent client or P2P network, they get a little scared. But Vuze is really, it's legit. Obviously, you can see here, you got the CNET 5-star award. It has content on there that's being provided by the people who submit it. So, like I said, Techzilla, all the version 3 networks, those are free content that's just being passed along through this P2P network. And I'll be showing you the securities and stuff like that it features in its application itself. First off, you can download it here. Now, one of the great things about it downloads fast. It says here, it says download fast in real time, full 1080p HD, 100% free. It has a search engine compiled with multiple, multiple torrent search engines out there. So it's all of those search engines in one, and you can easily find your content you're looking for, whether it's movie, podcast, etc. And it plays on all your screens, meaning it supports devices not only like PC and Mac, so it's cross-platform, but the Sony PS3, the Xbox 360, your PSP, your iPhone, your iPod, iPod Touch, iPod Video, Apple TV, and TiVo. So you can hook it up. Why just watch it while on your computer? Why not just sync it over to your iPod and take it on the go with you? Or you can even stream it live and get instant action. You don't want to wait for the full download to happen. Go ahead and stream over what you have down, maybe 20% downloaded. Start streaming that while the rest of the 80% downloads, and you can watch it all at the same time. It's really great technology, guys. So they give you the option to download fast, find what you want easily, and play it on multiple devices or stream it. So very cool stuff. So you can kind of see what all the devices I already mentioned off the bat and your requirements if you're going to be using on PC or Mac. Alright, so let's actually get over to the application now, and we'll be right back. Alright, here we are in the actual Vuze application, and it has that very similar two-pane look to iTunes, where it kind of features off your tabs to the left, and has your content in the middle. So getting started, this kind of shows you everything you need to know about how you can search and find what you need to find, the video, whatever it is you need to find on their network. I'm gonna let that load. Alright, so I see here it says find, download, play HD videos in your Mac, PC, mobile, and TV. So search for anything. And again, it just shows you some of the networks it has out there for finding via multiple torrents. You can download it, stream it, and sit back and watch it on multiple devices. So if you don't know what to look for, you can look through the HD network, which I'll be showing you in a second. The library has really cool stuff. So this basically shows you what you haven't finished downloading, what you have finished downloading, also what you haven't watched yet. So maybe you downloaded it and you haven't finished it. Or you can kind of see what you're downloading right now. And obviously I don't have anything in there right now, but in terms of security, it's really cool because it shows you it shows you the seeds, the peers, the current download speed, the up speed, the ETA, share rate, and share ratio, and the tracker status. Not only that, if you go up here in your menus over here, obviously you have your basic file, view if you want to kind of mess around with it. You can get the simple list, or you can get like advanced looking list, or just the simple list. But community is kind of where you can go through all their sites, their blog, and kind of leave feedback. And if you have a problem, you can check it out there. Also, the tools right here's what I want to mention, because they have statistics, the transfer bar, all peers, so you can kind of see who's downloading, client stats, so you can see like who you're downloading from, that type thing. Plugins for friends, IRC, network support, a lot of cool stuff. Even they have logs, IP filters if you kind of want to ban certain IPs or you don't want to download from certain IPs or share out because it is a P2P. It's really great, set up for security, and you can mess around with all this stuff if you want to. window, obviously that just minimize, maximize, and help. So again, more support, and you can even make a donation. And also, they also have a way you can configure your network connection for downloading. They have a firewall test to make sure you're secure, and a speed test to see your speeds, and a debug info if your app decides to crash and you want to know why. Alright, so moving on to the Vuze HD network, the actual highlight of the application. So think of this as iTunes, but it's really just consorted of mainly HD or all HD content. So you have here the favorites of like Scam School, HD, Techzilla, the podcast, even some YouTubers like Hot for Words, stuff like that. So you can see here a lot of newest videos, categories all down here. You can even go up here and go to comedy, TV, and movies. So we'll go to TV and movies to start off with, just to show you an example of a show. And again, these are all HD, 100% free content. So Californication, if you want to watch Dexter, Entourage, great stuff that you can download 100% free. So I'm going to click this again, and shows you all the episodes. So it gives you the description of the show. You can scroll down to see all the episodes, the time. So obviously these are not the full TV shows you can see here, but they're only, or maybe no, yes, 3:39. But you can get the info, and it shows you right here, and you can download it. So if you're interested in that. Now, if you're looking again, let's go back to some podcasts. You can actually get the full featured HD podcast. So I go over here, Showing Games and Tech. One of the good podcasts out there is App Judgment. Again, it gives you the description and gives you all the application videos. Again, duration of time, info on the episode, and you can subscribe. So this kind of gives you a way to subscribe for subscriptions, on ways to see what's being uploaded and automatically download it as you open Vuze to get your new HD content. And then if you turn on your devices, you can simply sync them to your iPod and you're on the go. Very similar to iTunes, very quick, but again, this is all HD content. And not only does it have to be specifically an iPod, maybe you just want to add it to your PSP, you can get out of there. Maybe you want to stream it over to your TiVo or your Apple TV. And the possibilities are endless. So you can add your subscriptions to, depending on what content you want to watch. Notifications are just kind of notifications that come from Vuze when they update the application. Lastly, devices. You can turn this on, and again, I've named the multiple devices that they support, from TVs to mobile cell phones and all this crazy stuff. So you kind of activate your devices here. You can make your subscriptions, go through the network, and see something you like, download it, or subscribe to it, and as the content flows in, sync it over to your device, and you're good to go. So guys, really, this application is great. Gives you great feedback, gives you great ways to, to make sure you're safe, secure on a P2P client. A very, very awesome network that makes it simple to find the content you need, and it's all HD based, so there's no complaints there. You're getting the best, top quality, very easy to use, awesome interface. I gave it personally a 5 out of 5 in my review book. Hope you guys enjoy it.